Hello, I'm back. I didn't send out a warning because I was just going to come out and do this on my own. But then I thought, heck, why not come on? Say hi. Why not, right? So, this is totally dry. This has got that top coat on it. But I figured while it's spinning, why wait till, Monday or Tuesday, whenever I was going to get time to it? Why not just do it tonight? The husband came home from work. And he went out again. So I thought, hey, why not do some more crafting? So here we go. So we're going to put the top coat of resin on the pretty bottle that we did those transfers on. Hi, Pearl. And then if there's enough mixed up, which I think I'll have enough mixed up, I'm going to put some on that dish too. And we'll just get those projects done. Why put off what we could do today, right? So here we go. So this is art resin. And it's equal parts, half and half. And I took someone's suggestion and put little black marks on the side of my container. Now, I didn't want to stain it that way, so I didn't use a permanent marker. But I did just use some black chalk paint that I can wash off after. And then we're going to slowly mix this up for 3 minutes. Hi, Rhonda. And then I think I'm going to try doing it with a paintbrush this time and get that top coat on there as opposed to pouring it on, because I don't need a very thick coat. I just need a thin one. So I think I'm going to paintbrush it on, and then I'm also going to do that angel tray at the same time. So I have the angel tray just right here, trying to stay out of the way of all the glitter. But we'll see how this goes. Hi, Sandy. Hi, Sheila. So 3 minutes of stirring the resin. And then I have my heat gun and my torch here as well. Brittany has a resin stirrer or a blender or a mixer that does it automatically for you. I'm thinking one of those would be amazing. I'm going to have to look up how to get my hands on one. Apparently it's made by, shoot, she told me the other day. We Are Memory Keepers, I think. Does anyone have one of those? She loves it. She just puts the two in there and it just stirs it on its own. Three minutes live of stirring kind of seems like a lot. I gotta say. 3 minutes stirring anytime seems like a lot. Hi, Mary. I just thought I'd jump back on. I was going to wait till Monday and put these top coats on, but I decided let's just do it today. Why put off to tomorrow what we could be doing today, kind of thing. Y'all are going to get sick of me, though. So I'm making sure I scrape down my sides, the bottom really well, just so that if there's any part A or part B clinging anywhere, it's getting all mixed up. And I think we are good to go. It's all looks pretty mixed. And I think our time is up. We're pretty close to it if it's not. So I'm just going to clean off my stir stick. And like I said, I'm going to do a brush this time. So here we go. I'm thinking this might be less waste. And this way I can feel the drag as to where it needs more and where it doesn't need more. I'm thinking it might work better. I don't know. I'd say it is. Now, the brush, though, there is no recovering that brush. Once it's touched resin, it ain't coming back to life. There is nothing you can wash that baby with that's going to make it want to, you know, be useful again. I think we are good. Okay, so let's just get this outside edge as well. There we go. I'm going to put a little bit on the bottom side. And I just want to make sure I get a good little beating of it right there. There we go. Because I could feel earlier, it's like as if I didn't get a good coating there. When I was putting on those transfers, there was a couple of little rough spots where I could feel the glitter. And I just want to make sure that I have all that really nicely covered. I think we're good to go. Okay, so next I'm going to bring over my adorable tray. Let's see if I could put this down a bit. And I'm going to pour this into the center. And then I do have my paintbrush here that I can still, you know, spread it out. Just going to set that there in case it drips. Now this table is not the most level, so I just want to get an even coat on here. And then I'm actually going to move it and set it on top of my laser. I know it's level over there, so. It's the problem with old houses, old sheds. Floors are not level anywhere. How many of you have that issue at home? That nothing seems to be level. It's the joys of living in an old farmhouse. I think I have lots of resin because I still have probably a good 20 mils in that cup. And I'm wishing I had another project to resin tonight. Just going to make sure I got it all nicely up against those pearls. Go. There we go. I think we're pretty good. Wonder if I should put just a... It can't hurt to have a little extra, right? Better to have extra than not enough, I think. It's already mixed, so why not? Just want to make sure it's really got a nice coating. Sorry, I'm not reading comments right at the moment, but it's right up against those pearls. How many of you are scared of resin? I hear that often, that people are scared of resin. I sometimes get scared of, like, that last pink tray. I was like, oh my gosh, I would just die if it had a blooper. Because it was already so perfect. I wouldn't say I'm scared of resin. I'm more scared of the lint that can fall into resin. Okay, I think we're pretty good there. Again, I'm going to have a bunch of extra resin here, though. I'll have to run in and grab another mold. But that is looking pretty good. Now, I am going to take the heat gun to it just to pop any bubbles. Hi, Christy, sorry. I'm looking at it upside down, and then I saw Minta, and I was like, oh, wait, that's a Christy. I don't know if you can see those bubbles pop, but... You don't want to over bake it, but you definitely want to make sure you got all those bubbles, and I think I got them. All right. So we got this spinning with some resin on it, and we've got this now done, and we're looking good. I just don't know what I'm going to do for the rest of the evening. All right, thanks for watching. Sorry I can't see the comments, but like I said, I'd have to put my head upside down, and I'm really afraid I'm going to get my hair in resin at this point. So thanks for watching, everybody, and thanks for sprinkling this out.